Okay. So you cut for us now.
How much am I cut for?
Sha, just put for us. Put
Anyone
for
you
us.
can cut,
Anyone you can cut.
Anyone want to
How much one do you want to sell to us?
that money when you know I'll put you 10,000.
No, just
10,000.
we go pay 1,000.
Huh?
We go pay 1,000. You cut 10,000, we pay 1,000. You cut 20,000, we pay 2,000.
We need suya. Put suya for us. Put enough onions. So if you don't put,
1,000,
see if you don't put
1,000.
onions very well, I'll not enjoy it like I want. So put enough
you like
onions.
onions?
Well, of course.
Little pepper.
Maka give it just
Please, little pepper. Give us testing now. Hey, Charlotte, thank you. Hey, there's pepper. So put small pepper in my own. Oh,
okay. No wahala.
it's sweet, huh?
You want 1,000 baht?
Yeah.